to.
Well, and my background being in the mortgage business, I'm very familiar with the lending process, very familiar with how banks make money as a result of that. And so what we're doing within the community is we're teaching people things like this, the strategies like within the family, keeping that money there instead of borrowing back our own money from the bank and them getting the benefit of it, right? So taking the family banking to a new level. We've had private banking people get on, talk about strategies and things to watch out for and things. Again, it's an education process, right? But I think at the end of the day, it is taking over the banking function in your own life. Mm-hmm. And what Nelson Nash, the author of Becoming Your Own Banker, you and I talked about before the show, one of our favorite books, he talks about how you can do that. You can, over your lifetime, even if it took you 14, 15, 20 years to take over the banking function in your family, in your personal life, then you should be in a position to start lending outside of that potentially. And so that's when we talk about lending, we're talking about in all aspects, whether it's at home or amongst people that are in need of those funds outside.
And Joey and I personally, when we've done mortgages, we've done car loans, we've
lent to the business. Loans. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, we've lent it to our business. I mean, lending is, it's age old, right? It's something that goes back to the beginning of time. The Bible talked about lending, right? That is one of the things that we know that, with businesses and real estate and lending, these things are going to be around. And those who have the goal make the rules. And our objective for us and everyone that we work with is helping them figure out, like, the goal is to have the gold and to be in control. And if you have that, then you can make those rules. And